Great content doesn't just happen. It takes time, effort, and skill. But what if you could make the process faster and easier? Meet DreamHost Content Builder, your AI-powered writing assistant that helps you create, refine, and optimize content effortlessly. Let's face it, writing can be tough. But DreamHost Content Builder makes it simple. Whether you need blog posts, product descriptions, or FAQs, this tool helps you generate engaging, high-quality content in just a few clicks. No professional writing experience needed. Getting started is easy. Just pick the type of content you need: blog posts, headlines, product descriptions, and more. Then customize the audience and tone to match your brand. In seconds, you'll get professional, SEO-friendly text ready to go. Already have content? Use SmartSpin to refine it. Make it clearer, more engaging, or help it stand out from competitors with just one click. Entrepreneurs, bloggers, e-commerce owners, and content creators, if writing takes up too much of your time, DreamHost Content Builder is here to help. Stay consistent, grow your audience, and free up your schedule with AI-powered content creation. Ready to create content like a pro? Try DreamHost Content Builder today and see just how easy great writing can be.